Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. Today we're going to dive back into this book. I don't know if they're necessarily are Tiki Drinks. These are a lot more like beach hotel drinks and boat drinks. And I think they just kind of get lumped into the Tiki world because it's just easy. You know, you say Tiki, people automatically think beach. But I have come to realize Tiki drinks and culture have a lot more boundaries and a lot more definition of what the drinks include, even though there are a lot more experimental drinks out there. So, you know, I guess it's you can call it whatever you want, maybe. I don't know. Call it whatever you want until somebody gets mad, I guess, right? Anyway, I want to try one called the Blue Shark. I think this one is much more like a shot that they scaled up to being like a cocktail, and because it's pretty much straight liquor. But yeah, you know, let's see how it goes, you know. And as always, I am not a bartender. Don't take any of this as bartender advice. So let's make a cocktail. All right, this is a shaking drink, so we got a shaker of ice ready to go. And when I say this sounds like a shot, it's pretty much straight equal parts. And it's gonna be quite interesting. So let's just make it and see what happens. 1/2 ounces of tequila. 1/2 ounces of vodka. And 1/2 ounces of Blue Curacao. It's shaking time. Alright, well, since it's a tiki drink, maybe my mid-century glasses will work. Got them chilling a little bit. I don't know if they stay that cold. But I got a cool little thing for it. First, I need my Skage. Ooh. And I found these little shark ice cubes. They come in this little silicone mold. I think that's perfect, but I think there's too much liquor in there, so let's see if that will do the trick. Give him a little cherry for his mouth. All right, let's see what our little blue shark tastes like. Oh, tequila, vodka, and curacao. Yeah, that tastes like a lot of bad decisions when I was 21 in spring break in Panama City Beach. I definitely would say if you make this, you probably just make shots. You're probably all right with it. In the meantime, you know what to do. Cheers.